This is a Mercedes-Benz Vito 447 model. I started to get like a grinding noise. Looks like my brake pads are gone. So like metal to metal, when you drive, like you can hear it like scrubbing, like it's grinding. So I'm going to take off the wheel and inspect the brakes. On the Tahoe, I do not get any errors regarding the brakes on my no indication or anything. You know, those cars have a sensor when the brake pads are gone, but I'm not getting anything. So wheel is off. So yeah, brake pads are really, we probably have like a 3 mil, 4 mil, but I'll just show you the sound, if you can hear it. It's really like a grinding noise. Can you hear it? Okay, it has those covers. At the bottom as well. Can you see what I'm doing? Yep. It's not very tight. Okay, so it's a hex. This is size 6. Okay, this one is a bit tighter. It's number 2. And this should be, we should be able to remove this now. Okay. Oh shit. See all those pieces of the brake pads? This one, I'll just put it up here. Make sure it doesn't, the brake pads just come out. Yeah, see? That's one. Oh, wow, look at that. That's this was producing a grinding noise. So whoever installed those brakes, they did it wrong, in my opinion. So always, I think the sensor should be on the inside one. Let me just see if the disc is damaged on this side. Oh yeah. Let me just show you brake disc condition. See how it's rough? with all the channels, grooves. I don't know, should I replace them? I think I have a good ones. Okay, I have those Bosch pads. Pretty much says there for a Mercedes Sprinter 3.5 tens 906, but I think they match the Vito as well, because when I looked at the part numbers, it was showing that they can go on this one, on this van. Okay, let's see. Okay, so they're Bosch 0906 494 728. Okay, see, same size, so they match. Okay, so this one, is that gonna go in there? On this side. Yep. We'll reuse this sensor because it's still good. We gotta push the cylinders back inside. Okay. I think I have a tool for that. I bought this tool for that. I don't know what it's called, but makes life much easier. So I'll just show you. This is to push those cylinders back, because we don't have much room to put it over new brake pads. If you don't have this, in the past I would use a big screwdriver, some press, but this makes life much easier. So yeah, so you just put it in there, and then as we do this, it spreads and it's pushing those cylinders back inside. So we'll go all the way. Oh, very easy with this tool. It's worth every penny. I think I bought it on eBay or something. It's probably enough, so I'll just go reverse. See? All the way back. And then it's a piece of cake putting those back. And then we'll put new bolts. Just do it by hand. Just do it by hand until they catch the thread. Is it? Yeah. Let's try bottom one. Bottom one. Just by the feel you can tell when it's in the hole. Just clicks in. It wasn't very tight, so I'll just go. Okay, just moves now because I pushed the cylinders a bit more, but that's gonna come back. So caps back on. Make sure they're secured. Bottom one as well. Okay. Alright, so okay, so new brake pads installed. The brake sensor, I'll just reuse it. Alright, and what we just learned, we'll put it on the internal one. But look at that. Wow, cannot believe it. Just makes your life much easier. Okay. Okay, for those steel wheels I use 180 Newton meters. There you go, my friends. It was very easy to find the issue of my brakes grinding. That was really bad. But it's very easy to replace it yourself. If I wasn't recording or anything, this can be done in 10-15 minutes. So please follow my channel for more DIYs. You'll save lots of money.